So today we're going to be taking a quick look at this control deck. So as you can see, I already have a couple programs keyed in here, which is pretty nice. I could just cycle through a couple scenes by just a click of a button. So I'll just cycle through to my desktop view right there just by clicking on that. And then I could just go back to my full screen by pressing that button there. I also have a hotkey for recording with OBS, which is super nice. And this is powered by a Type-C cable, which is right here, plugged in right there, which is very easy to power. And then you can just see it has the LED going on in the back as well. So it looks pretty cool, just sitting on your desk. Also, in terms of how it functions, it is super easy to set up. If we just go to one of the scenes here, so go into my desktop scene, as you can see, I have the program that you would need to customize each individual button, and you could find this program with the instructions that comes with this control deck. So as you can see, I have a couple things programmed in, just a couple websites that opens up in Google Chrome, and also like a couple Excel sheets. I also have a social media platform, and then I have OBS to open up as well. And like I said, this button here is for recording, and then a couple of the different scenes that I have set up here. So this is one scene on my OBS, another scene of OBS right here, another scene. I also have the settings for the control deck as well, so I don't have to manually go find the program on my computer. I could just click this, and then this will pop up. And this thing has been super nice, and if you're a streamer or a content creator, this is just super nice to have on your desk. With just a press of a button, you could just go to the scene that you want, or you could have something from Streamlabs open, or you could do a bunch of different things. Like if you're just looking at this here, so just looking at the control deck, so you could like switch scenes, go to a page, previous page, next page, and that's just the control deck. And then you could go to the toolbox, you could have it open up a website, hotkey switch, mouse event open, text, password, media, you could have as well. And then goes through like the audio, you could play audio, stop audio, operational flow, action flow, carousel, action toggle, and then you have your OBS studio settings, which is mostly what I'm going to be using this for. So you could just press of a button, start recording, press of a button, start to stream, different scenes, audio mixer, source visibility, studio mode, screenshots, transitions, and green screen capabilities. It also has Discord functions as well, which I don't really use Discord, but you can mute yourself, voice channel, volume control, and then just going under the Streamlabs settings here, you could like test, a warning, skip alert, silence alarm, pause alarm, rotating wheel. Again, I don't really use Streamlabs that often, but I mostly do like post-production type of things. So these are all the things that you could do for your live streams. So super cool. And again, just a press of a button, I could just change my scene just like that. So this thing is super neat. It's small, so it could just easily be put on your desk and easy to power and set up. So yeah, this is a great control deck. If you're looking for one, I would highly recommend checking this out. And full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.